Introducing the newest robot in the Mitsubishi Electric lineup. Go heavyweight with its impressive 12 kilograms payload, giving you greater capacity to handle heavier workloads. With a reach radius of over 1.5 meters, it offers the longest reach in the Mitsubishi Electric compact robots family, making it ideal for a wide range of applications, including pick and place, palletizing, and material handling. Forget wires, with built-in signal wiring and air piping for a uniform and clean look. With two 15-pin connectors and forearm air joints, routing becomes a breeze, offering greater flexibility of operation. Elevate your tack times with improved wrist speed and strength, making it perfect for tasks such as machine tending and screwing. Say goodbye to extra charges for additional features. The new robot is fully compatible with the CR800 controller, a compact and lightweight unit to drive powerful robot, which enhances its functionality at no extra cost. Reduce your expenses and optimize automation with Mitsubishi Electric's most versatile robot today.